Hello YouTube viewers, welcome back. This is me Hassan Slim. So today we're gonna talking about how we gonna make a maze game. So for that I just open up Windows Form application one over there. Alright. Now what you need to do is I first of all, to make it easier, I just select a background image of a maze design pattern. Here it is. Okay, and I select the zoom image. Alright, so that's awesome. And now what you need to do, you need to draw picture boxes on these vertical or horizontal lines. So how is the picture box? As you see, I just draw the line over there. Alright, I just control C and V, copy and paste that on it. Control C and V. I just as you see, I'm drawing on it. It's a little bit time consuming. So just what you need to do is just to draw it on the like that. As you see, Control CV. Okay. So after completing this, what you need to do, I just show you the demo first. After completing this pattern, I just remove the background image of the form, and then what we get is the background image. I just make it clear, alright, and change the picture box colors to black. Sorry, I need to change the picture box colors. Am I selecting all the things? I think my mouse is making some kind of noise. I need to remove the background image. I just make the background image clear. Alright, now I just select the picture box and set it to black. Whenever you complete this, so for time, because just it is time consuming, what I do, I have already made that over there. As you see, all of these are picture boxes, and what I do is just replace the picture boxes on the particular on that image. Let me show you. Here's the image on which I just copy and paste the picture box. It's not necessary that you copy or paste the picture boxes on that in that particular pattern. You can turn it another time. Alright, now after completing this pattern, I draw two more picture boxes. Here's the picture box. I set it there. All right, make the color back color green, or select the door. All right, and Control CV. I just copy and paste that. And what I want to come over there to exit the game or to complete the finish the game, here I set the background color over there. So that will be the starting point and that will be the ending point of course. So let's start coding. I think we should start coding now. So in the coding part, what you need to do is just to select, I just make it left over there. I need to select all of these black text boxes, picture boxes, and go to events. What I need to do is just mouse enter event. Whenever mouse enter in this, the picture box, the message box dot show you hit the wall, game over. All right, and now when enter in this red path, red picture box, here I write message box dot show you won the game. All right, now let's start the game. What's happened now? As you see, I need to sorry sorry I think I just gonna okay, if I go to there, you won the game. Now what I need to do is just to set the boundaries of my mouse, that it starts from there, don't go out to there, and I need to set the boundaries for that. For that, what I need to do is, well, for that, what you need to do is, what we do is we draw the boundary. I just copy that, Control C and V. I need to draw the boundary over there. All right. This is one of the simplest method to make the closed boundaries. So here I make the closed boundaries. just to make the same thing over there in the events. Mouse enter event, just copy their code. Now here you see, now I need to set the starting position of my cursor. I need to define x-axis and y-axis. What is the position of that picture box is 36 and 5964. The location is 5964 is, and the name picture box 54. Well, for that, I think there is one of the another method that would be more easier. What you need to do is to just to do that. All right. I think that is one of the easiest method to solve that problems. Now let's run the program how it's work. I think I just gonna make up this time. I think alright, here we go, here we go, here we go. And I think yes, I just make up that. Now let's see if we hit the wall, what's happen. You hit the wall, you hit the wall, you hit the wall. So hope you guys like this video, so don't forget to subscribe and make the programming easier for you. So there's a lot of changing that you can make to make your game looks better. So hope you like this game. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.